Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your Shopify password. So watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, if you are already connected to your account and you forgot your password, you can simply just go to your manage account option. So here in this menu or by clicking on your store name or your store icon, you go to manage account and from there you can go to security. Here you will find the passkeys. You can use a passkey for easier login, or you can just reset your password. After creating your password, you can change your password, and by that you can reset it. Otherwise, if you've been already logged out and you want to reconnect your account, but you have forgotten your password, so for example, and you're not using your Google account, so you will need just to click to use the email that you are logging in with. So for example, logging in with any email, then you will find the forgot your password. So from here, as you can find, as you can see, you can use your email and then you can, for example, let's just do like that. I don't know, something like this, just to connect. Com. I will just continue with this email, and from here you can click on forget password. By clicking on forget password, they will change or they will send a password reset to your email. Then you connect to the email that you have entered, and after that you will go to your mailbox. You click on the link or on the mail that you've been sent from the Shopify. You click on the link of your password reset, and that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.